Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel. No, I'm kidding. All right, well I'm not. Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, we have some blown out hair, honey, and we just kind of let it finish. That's why you guys still see a little bit of curl in the hair. Man, like my hair is really like salt and pepper. What's going on, Ange? Anyway, if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Angie. This is Life with Star. Welcome to Life with Star. If you're returning, honey, welcome back. Welcome back. I missed you. I missed everybody. But if you want to go ahead and take the time now to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, you can do so now. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any new future uploads on the channel. Drop some comments. Drop some comments down below. Like this video, share this video, be this video, whatever floats your boat. So I think I'm gonna go ahead real quick and work on my thumbnail, okay? So, and then we'll do another one where we kind of pose it to the side. Okay, perfect. All right, you guys, so let's get to it. So, guess what today is? It's Friday, which means that you guys made it. I know it was probably a little hard for y'all, but you made it, you're here, it's Friday. Oh, okay, that's better, honey. Oh, I didn't even know what I was about to say. Oh, it's Friday, honey, y'all made it. You guys made it. You made it. So let's talk about it. Happy Friday. Now let's get into these wand curls. So I'm using, oh, it's like a little hair in there. I don't know what brand this is. Oh, Remington, my Remington Wand Curler. And I only put a little couple droplets throughout my hair of vitamin E oil. I don't wear like the little protective glove, you guys, so we like to get burned over here. I don't know, I just feel like sometimes you get used to the heat from the curling iron. So like if you get a little burnage, like it's not the end of the world. So yeah, when I wand my hair, you guys, I actually prefer for the hair, this is gonna get on my nerves. I prefer for my hair to be a little bit fluffy, just because my hair is a little bit finer. So I like my hair to be a little bit fluffy so that once I put the wand curls in and it sets, I just feel like it helps give it a little bit more oomph. But that's just me, you know. I don't claim to know everything. I just claim to know some. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day and you have had a fantastic week. You know what I'm saying? As you don't know. But I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I get my hair and my wand curls. I don't really kind of measure like the amount of hair that I'm using. I just kind of feel it out and see what feels right. But I do kind of start at the base and I kind of use the wand and twist it. And then like you see, sometimes I might lose the hair, honey, but that's okay. I wind it back up and then I just go back around. I'm trying not to burn myself. Oh, I felt that. Obviously, if I was using the glove that I threw away that came with it, we wouldn't be having these problems, honey. Sometimes I can get lucky and get it to sit just like that. And then I just kind of give it a little nudge. Sometimes I hold it, sometimes I don't. But y'all look at that curl. It's cute. So we're gonna do a little bit of this and then we will be back, you guys. I'm gonna speed it up for your viewing pleasures. My lash coming up. You guys, oh my God. It's hot. I missed a piece of hair. God dog it, Andrew. Okay. So. You guys may not have noticed because you can't see it because it's on the ceiling, but I have the fan on a trillion right now, okay? Am I looking dark again? Are we really doing this? Whatever, we'll just roll with it. So, I like my hair to kind of dry, right? But I have had the fan blowing like right on top of me. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my pick and I'm just picking out at the root. I'm not big on hairspray and stuff like that, you guys, because I like my hair to stay nice and soft. And oh, look at that. Ah! Oh my God. So I do kind of hold the hair and I pull it down from the root. Yes. Giving me very like Hollywood glam. Oh, y'all, so freaking pretty. So here's what I do next, right? I'm not really like, I don't really tease my hair out too much, but what I do is I take my beautiful hands that God has blessed me with, right? And I take them. Oh, yeah. Look at that, y'all. You cannot tell me this is not giving you all the life. So I kind of pull the hair back and I kind of push it back up a little bit. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, you better give it to me. My hair is blending in with my black shirt, but that's okay. Like, listen, y'all can't tell me nothing right now. Very Hollywood glam, okay? Like, I like for my gray to peek through. I like for my gray to peek through, like so. And then I just kind of like push up at the root. Again, I don't really tease because we don't have hairspray in, honey, so we're not trying to create a monster. We're just trying to create a vibe. Yes. For the thumbnail, honey. All right, you guys, there is the hair. That's like pretty much the technique that I use when I wand my hair. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please, honey, give it some likes because y'all can't tell me nothing right now. Come on, Angela Bassett. Yes, yes. Diana. Well, no, Diana would be a little bit more fluffed out. This is giving me very Angela Bassett vibes. But she's amazing, so I'm not trying to say, you know, whatever, honey. I can't top the queen. She's just amazing. But, honey, get into this hair. I'm loving it. Just want my grays to kind of come to party. So yeah, you could play, I play around with it, you know, no particular way. Like, if my hair was like more layered, like I could do this. I live. Like, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on seeing how I wand my natural hair with, again, this was the Remington Styling Wand Curler. So yes, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads on the channel. Follow me on Instagram _lifewithstar with 2 R's _. Follow me on TikTok, life with star 2 R's. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, do all the things. But do not forget to spread love because it's free, which means that it's cheap for you and it costs nothing to tell somebody that you love them. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. Yes. I'm stupid. All right.